Today we are making soft and fluffy poppy seed bread. Just a beautiful golden crust topped with seeds and a tender crumb inside. Let's get started. Let's start with 500 grams of flour, 7 grams of yeast, 11 grams of salt, 318 milliliters of water. Add the water in quarters and mix. Mix until a rough dough forms. Now lightly flour your workspace. Knead for about 8 minutes. Form the dough into a ball and place it in a lightly oiled bowl. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 hour or until double in size. Now flour your workspace again. You can go shaped into a classic oval shape, a round bowl, or fit in the loaf tin, it's up to you. Place the dough onto a parchment-lined tray. Cover it loosely and let it rise again for 1 hour. Now gently brush the top of the dough with water. This helps the crust develop and lets the seeds stick. Sprinkle a generous layer of poppy seeds all over the top. Now place it in a preheated oven at 200 Celsius for 20 minutes or until it's golden brown. Enjoy!